Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Of course, in these last 10 nights, we exert ourselves in all of these 10 seeking Laylatul Qadr. But tonight is the 27th night, and there are narrations that suggest that tonight could be a strong possibility of being Laylatul Qadr. Ubay ibn Ka'b radiallahu anhu, who was the Imam of Taraweeh in the time of Umar radiallahu anhu and an authority in the Quran, he used to swear by it being on the 27th. And when he was told that Ibn Mas'ud radiallahu ta'ala anhu said that it could be any night, he said that your brother Ibn Mas'ud did not want people to become complacent. We also find the narration from Nu'man ibn Bashir radiallahu ta'ala anhu who says that we prayed with the Prophet ﷺ on the 23rd night until 1/3 of the night had passed, and then on the 25th night until half the night had passed, and then on the 27th night until we thought we were going to miss suhoor. And another narration from an old man who told the Prophet ﷺ, if I can only pray one of these last 10, in which night should I exert myself? And he told him the 27th night. So exert yourself tonight and with whatever nights are left in this blessed month.